You've purchased your Simtek StealthALERT unit. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Just remove the box from the sleeve and open it up. Very first thing you see is the unit itself. We'll take it out, set it aside, and remove the divider. Under the divider you have the quick start guide, which is this pamphlet here, and some contact information. Below that you have a couple of mounting strips. You have the 1-year rechargeable battery. It does come mostly charged, but we do recommend a quick recharge. You have the charging cable, and you have the wired antenna. Setting up your Simtek StealthALERT unit could not be easier. After you've removed everything from the box, simply grab your phone, click on the App Store, and download the Simtek Sensors app. It takes about 2 seconds to download. Click Open. Allow the camera to see things. Click on Set Up Your Device. Simply turn the unit over where you'll find a QR code. Scan the QR code. It says Success. And then follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, so we're going to assume in this video that you've already set up your unit and you've paired it to the app on your phone. Now we're going to cover proper positioning in your safe. The first thing that we're going to talk about is this wired antenna. Now keep in mind the unit does have an internal antenna as well, but the wired antenna just plugs into the back of the unit. It might look like that it's threaded. It's not. It just snaps directly in. It's not threaded. Now the unit is active and ready to go. What we recommend is that you put it just inside the safe. We don't want you to bury it inside the safe. And you can take this wired antenna that does have a magnetic base and just kind of attach it to any metal surface, kind of like that. Set it in there and close the door. You're ready to go. In this video, we're going to talk about arming your Simtek StealthALERT sensor. It's quite simple. Now keep in mind, the unit does have a light detector, a motion detector, and a vibration detector on it. So if we just let it set out here, it's going to detect light and it will never arm. It needs to be void of all those three things for 5 seconds in order for it to arm. So it's simple. We just open the safe. We put it inside. And once the light goes out, the unit is armed. In this short video, we're going to show you how to recharge your Simtek StealthALERT unit. Inside the box, you will find this cable. Simply take the cable, plug this into any head, find the charging port on the back side of the unit, plug it in, let it set for about 3 hours. At the end of 3 hours, you should have about approximately 1 more year's worth of battery life.
All right, let's talk about some unique features and how your Simtek StealthALERT is tamper-proof. So first of all, with the included wired antenna, if somebody were to try and sabotage this and either cut the antenna or simply unplug it, guess what? You're still going to get alerts because it'll immediately switch to its onboard antenna. Another unique feature is we've got 3 different sensors to detect the bad guys. We've got an infrared motion sensor, a light sensor, and then also a vibration sensor. So that when any one of those events is triggered, you're going to get notified without fail. Now, it works anywhere in the world because it's got a global high-performance modem in there that finds and connects to any cellular network wherever you are. And guess what? This thing is compact and durable. So you can throw this in your luggage, you can throw it in a storage unit, put it in a truck or a car, you name it, you're going to be able to monitor it. So stay safe and stay secure.